Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Netception, and today we are taking a look at how you can record your screen without using any third-party software. Now we all know that we need to record our screen sometimes. For example, if you are making a tutorial video like this, just like this how we are making, you might need to record your screen, or you might need to tell your friends something. You might need to explain them how to do something, and in order to do that you might need to record your screen. Whereas there are many users of recording the screens, it becomes really difficult for people who don't really need it every day. You have to install that software, download it, and then you have to record the video, then you have to export the video. So it's really cumbersome process, and there is actually a short method to do this, and that's what we are going to show you today. All you got to do is you need to have a web browser. This can be Google Chrome, Firefox, or any browser, even Microsoft Edge or something like that. So you just have to open your browser and go to the following URL that you can see on the screen, that is recordscreen.io. and once you go to that website, you see that it's also written there that no installation is required, and all you need to do is press that record button right on the screen and then select the type of recording you want to record, screen plus your camera or only screen. So you can also be adding your footage from your live web camera and record then and add it to your video. If you are probably recording some kind of gameplay or something, so you can also record that. You can record your reaction while playing a game or watching some kind of video. So it's also useful for doing those kinds of videos, reaction videos. And once you have selected that option, you can press start recording, and you will see the website actually asks permission to use your microphone, that is for recording your voice, as you can give instructions or do commentary on whatever game you're playing or whatever things you are showing, tutorial or whatever screen recording you need. You can record your voice with it, and once you press allow, then you can see that it just asks us to share our screen. From here you can choose which tab or which part of the screen you actually want to share with it, and I'll just go and select the browser window which I am using, and you can see it's already recording. You can see the live view of what is being recorded. Now I'm just gonna do some random stuff. Let's see, let's say I am booking a flight from Kolkata to Bombay, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put up Mumbai here, and then I'm just gonna do stuff. You can do whatever you want to record. So it's just an example I'm showing. It has nothing to do with the process. Oh my god, 7,000, that's a lot. Anyways, we don't need that flight anyway. So what we are gonna do next is, once we are done, we have to just press the stop recording button, and you can see the video is actually there. It is being recorded. Now I'm just gonna do some random stuff. Let's see, let's say I am booking a flight from Kolkata to Bombay, and you can see it's playing the audio too, so that's pretty awesome. And then it just put this on full screen, and you can see everything I did has been recorded, and that is pretty cool, right? So now you have the option to download the video or close, and that is it. Once you download it, you can just play the video, and as simple as that. So I guess guys, you enjoyed this video and found this information helpful. If you did, please leave a comment and hit the like button, and if you aren't subscribed already, subscribe for more awesome tutorials like this. I'll see you next time on Brains Ki Baat. Thank you, goodbye.